Hi again, Quinn.
Hi.
You are doing such a great job on your letters and sounds. So today on the Fluency Grid, we are just going to make the sound of the letter because when you're reading, you're just going to be making the sounds of the letters. You're not going to be telling me the names of the letters. So as we read this Fluency Grid, remember to just make the sound. And remember the top row, we're going to do my turn, your turn. And then the rest of the Fluency Grid is all you, all your turn. I'm going to go through the sounds first, and then we'll do my turn, your turn. So listen as I make the sounds. B, p, d, qu, qu. And remember that Q can have two shapes. It can have that curly tail at the bottom or a straight tail. Ready? We're going to do my turn, your turn. B,
B,
p, d,
D,
qu,
Qu,
qu.
Qu,
Good. Your turn.
Qu, D, B, Qu, D, Qu, B, Qu, P,
Good.
Qu,
Good.
Qu, D, B, B, Qu, Qu, D, D, B, P, Qu, Qu.
Great job, Gwen.